Hello everyone, my name is Manoj Gautam and today in this video we are going to learn about the 10 basic very useful Windows 10 operating system shortcuts to enhance the productivity. Let's get started. The number one is the Windows plus M key. Windows plus M key is used to minimize all the windows that are currently opening and just return to the desktop. For instance, if I press Windows key and M, you can see just I'm returning to the desktop. Number two, Windows D key. Let's say I'm opening the Windows Manager, and if I want to go to the desktop directly, what I can do is I can press Windows plus D. It will bring me to the desktop. Number three is Windows plus E. Let's say you want to open the File Explorer directly using the shortcut. What you can do is you can press Windows plus E. So as you can see, it just opened the File Explorer of Windows 10. Another one is the Windows plus L key. Windows plus L key is used to lock your PC. Windows plus L will lock your PC. As you can see, I just lock my PC by using the Windows plus L key. Another one is the Windows plus R key. You can use this key to open the run dialog and open your favorite command or the program. Just here I have just opened the run dialog by pressing the Windows plus R key. So in this dialog I can open any file that I want. Let's say I want to open the PowerPoint. What I can do is I can just use PowerPNT. Another very useful command is Windows plus left arrow key. This is used to split the desktop or the screen into the two space. Let's say if I press Windows plus left arrow key, it will push the windows to the left side. So if I want to bring this PowerPoint to the right side, what I can do is I can just press the Windows plus right. So as you can see, I have splitted my desktop into the two equal size. In the right one I'm running the PowerPoint, and in the left one I'm running the File Explorer. Another very handy command is Alt Tab. You can use Alt plus Tab key to switch between the application. Let's say I have run the multiple application and I want to jump from one application to the another. What I can do is I can press Alt plus Tab key and just navigate along the application. As you can see here, now I'm in the PowerPoint. Another very handy command is Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape. I can use this keystroke to open the taskbar. Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape. You can see I just open the Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open the task manager. As you can see, another command is to switch between the languages quickly is to use the Windows plus space key. You can use Win plus space key to switch between the multiple languages. As you can see here, I can switch between the English and Nepali language. Another keystroke is Alt plus FO key. I think you might probably used it. Alt plus FO is used to close the currently running application. Another very handy command is Win plus key. This is used to zoom the screen. As you can see, I am pressing Windows plus key. So to zoom out, what I can use is Windows plus minus key. It will zoom out my screen. Another handy command to take screenshot is Windows plus print screen keys. It will take the screenshot and put my all the screenshot in the screenshot folder, as you can see here. Another handy command is Windows plus I key to open the settings directly. These are the shortcuts. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Do comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.